The Govee Smart Humidifier is perfect for keeping your home or office comfortable and humidified. This top-fill humidifier has a 6-liter water tank that can refresh plants and run for up to 60 hours. It features a 360-degree double nozzle and 9 mist levels, so you can customize the perfect setting for your space. The 40-inch mist height is perfect for large rooms, and the auto mode helps maintain humidity levels. The rejuvenating aromatherapy and RGB nightlight create a calming atmosphere, while the 27 decibels quiet operation won't disturb your sleep. The 1 to 24-hour timer lets you set it and forget it. Bring peace of mind and comfort to your home with the Govee Smart Humidifier. Here's what I'll show you in this video. Smart App Control. The Home App feature helps you to connect with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to control your humidifier at any time, no matter where you are. You will also receive notifications on your phone when your tank is short of water and needs to be refilled. Top-fill design. This makes cleaning and refilling your humidifier quick and convenient. The top-fill design allows you to pour the water and reduce the risk of spillage. The transparent lines allow you to check the current water levels of your tank. Auto mode keeps skin hydrated all year round. The Smart Humidifier will turn off automatically when reaching the target humidity and turn on when it is lower than the target. You can choose from 9 cool mist levels, with their maximum reaching 300 milliliters per hour. Long-lasting use. The 6 liters tank design can be used continuously for up to 60 hours. The 360-degree double rotating nozzle allows for easier control of the 32 to 40-inch mist output and covers a large room of up to 600 square feet. Auto turn-off when water shortage. Multi-purpose humidifier. You can add essential oils for an aromatherapy option or turn it into a colorful night light through an app feature that helps you sleep. Relaxing RGB colors. Choose your favorite color to help you relax before bedtime. Use the Home app to utilize the RGB nightlight feature. Adjust the colors to add a relaxing ambience to any room in your home. Enhanced self-care. Take control of your basic health needs. This humidifier can provide comfort by soothing your dry throat and clearing your nasal passages. "10 reasons to buy." It comes with a large capacity water tank that can cover an area of up to 600 square feet. This humidifier can last up to 60 hours before needing a refill. It has a 360-degree double nozzle that emits mist in every direction of your room. This humidifier refreshes your plants with the plant mode. It has an aromatherapy function that circulates air for better breathing. With auto mode, this humidifier can maintain humidity at desired levels. Its 27 decibels and quiet operation makes it easy to sleep a full night. You can set 1 to 24-hour timer, which allows you to customize runtime however you like it. It allows you to give perfect humidity for your home with 9 mist levels. This humidifier helps you to choose 7 different colors with RGB nightlight to match your room decor. 1 reason not to buy. You cannot control this humidifier through third-party apps like Google Home and Alexa. Can you turn off the LED nightlight completely? Answer: yes, you can turn it off through the app only. Do you have to change the filter? Answer: no need to change the filter. This humidifier should be cleaned every week. The app will remind you to clean it. Can I use this without a smartphone? Answer: you can press on or off, control the mist level, set a timer, and turn on the nightlight when not using the app. How accurate is the humidity reading? Answer: the accurate reading of humidity is 3%. What is the highest auto mode you can set? Answer: the highest auto mode you can set is 80%. Can the water tank be lifted off the unit and carried somewhere for refilling without unplugging the unit? Answer: yes, the tank can be carried somewhere for refilling without unplugging the unit. As with any humidifier, make sure the unit is turned off. Will it monitor an RH level as low as 40? Answer: the humidifier can monitor an RH level from 0% to 99%. Does it produce ozone? Answer: this humidifier won't produce ozone. Is this humidifier evaporative or ultrasonic? Answer: it is an ultrasonic humidifier. How do you add essential oils? Answer: you can add the essential oils to the aroma pad, which is behind the humidifier. The Govee Smart Humidifier is a top-fill design humidifier that can be controlled with an app. It has a water tank that can last up to 60 hours and covers up to 600 square feet. The humidifier also has a night light with RGB colors and aromatherapy. With its many features, this humidifier would be perfect for anyone looking for relief from dry skin, throat, or nasal passages. It would also make a great addition to any home for its relaxing colors and ambience. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.